Hello, I am Dr. Sandeep. Welcome to Marmaveda chiropractic, our channel. Today's our guest is Andreas. Hi, sir.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine, but I have a little problem. That's why I'm here.
It's okay. Are you from?
I'm from Germany, from Berlin.
What is your suffering now?
My shoulder, I was falling with my bicycle, it's 1 year ago,
Okay.
exactly on this point.
Okay, exactly. On
Yes,
this point. Okay.
yes.
On bicycle. You have
Yes.
mechanical injury. After that, what symptoms you feel?
Actually, just the 2 days after that, this whole part was really stiffed,
Okay.
and it was holding on for around about 2 months. And I have done a lot of therapists, physical things, and so after 2 months, it started to recover.
It balanced some
It was some kind balance,
Okay.
and then this special pain starts in the end of November. So 3 months ago, it starts this different kind of pain that it's more on one part. Before it was really the whole upper body was infected. Now it's more like special lines here. I have some
possible
pain,
to radiating to your
and
left hand.
yes, and I can't move the arm properly. For example, it's difficult for me
Internal rotation, make
come,
internal rotation.
yes, to come to my jacket, or when I do this. At this point here, it's a very strong pain here now. Now very, very strong.
When you do movement, you have pain.
Yeah.
5 months.
I mean, the thing is, after the accident, the pain was a little bit different.
Different.
And this pain now starts 3 months ago.
Now it become a little bit chronic.
Yes.
Yes.
And I have the feeling it's a little bit increasing. I do a lot of therapies. So I had been osteopathic 3 times.
You did chiropractic like that treatment?
No.
Before that?
Yes, chiropractic not.
Okay.
But this physical, how is it called?
Physiotherapy.
Yes, I had been 12 times.
12 times.
Thai massage 3 times.
Okay.
Acupuncture 5 times. So I was doing a lot
Lots
of meditations. I do a lot, but actually it's not going better. I mean, it's actually on that point. Sometimes a little bit increasing, but it's not becoming better. So that's why I'm really worrying about that.
Don't worry about that.
Thank you.
We first assess your body, make a postural analysis, and then we decide how design your treatment protocol.
Yes.
Okay.
Also, I had been to the dentist because the osteopathic was meaning maybe this coming from also as a look if with the teeth everything
TMJ.
Because sometimes I can feel the pain also here in the teeth, you know.
Okay.
So maybe there was this idea, but everything is all right. They have done pictures from the shoulder, we have done pictures from the upper part of the spine. Everything is fine. Everything is fine.
Good physical health.
Yes, and they say it's just, you know, it's just strong, stuck something, and that's becoming pain in different directions. I don't know where it is exactly, here or here or here.
When you lift hand, there is pain.
Here's pain. Here's pain.
About 60-70 degrees, you feel pain.
Pain, yes.
You make an internal rotation like that.
Okay, I try.
This You stand up and make that rotation.
I have pain here now, very much pain here.
Okay.
So it's possible. And here it starts pain here. And when I do it now, yes, now pain.
90-degree flexion, you have pain. Okay.
Yeah.
There is starting point.
Yes, that's the starting point.
Okay. You have pain?
No.
You have pain?
No.
Backward?
No pain.
No pain?
No.
It might be like that you have no surgical issue. Your neck is good, I think.
Okay.
because you have no pain in flexion and
Wait,
extension.
take my glasses off.
Yes, yes. Make extension. No pain. Little bit stuck.
Yeah.
Little bit stuck.
Yes.
Yeah. No. You stand up, sir. Come here. Oh. Left hip is more posterior. You see, this is a dominant leg. Hyperextended at knee level, more posterior at pelvis region. Your symmetry is too good, but you have kyphosis back, little bit lordosis. Okay, moderate torsion.
I know.
You are always here. You
Always,
feel stiffness.
always.
Always stiffness is there
Always.
because due to your posture. Huh?
Yeah.
You fold like this. Huh?
Yes,
You
I
make a
know.
retroversion of your shoulder. Due to that, concentrated pressure comes here. Okay. This the trapezius and rhomboid muscle always engage in your case,
Yeah.
and that muscle always loaded with lots of pressure to your head and your arms. So you have suffering first. We release that tension.
Yes.
You see,
It will be better.
it is a mechanical injury. Like
Ah.
that. Oh, very
Yeah.
stuck. This is
Easy.
movement is good.
Yeah. You know
Then
when
we
I
stop.
like pictures you mean?
No,
Yeah. No pictures. Yes, pictures from the shoulder
Huh?
and from the upper spine as well.
Yeah.
Everything is fine.
Everything is fine.
Everything is fine.
That's good.
Yeah,
That's
it's
good.
good actually.
I think this is more due to muscle tension. Okay, your basic function is disturbed. Okay,
Yeah.
you see, we start with osteopathy,
Okay.
canny osteopathy. Then we release your upper back, then lower back, and whole body. We get adjusted. Okay. After that, we some give marma manipulation technique and some one therapy. Okay. You start with
Okay.
our session.
Yeah.
C3 also moving. C4 is a very good movement. Here is a little bit stuck. You feel pain here? And this?
No.
In here?
A little.
Little bit pain. Just breathe in, breathe out. Slowly breathe out. Yes, that's right. Then breathe out. Breathe at the hip level. Yes, every cell at the
a
hip.
little bit, yes.
Yes, that's a good. You are the meditation man, so you can. Oh, that's a good. I go deep. in layers. Take a breath in. Take a long breath. Perfect. Very good. Perfect.
It's something new for me.
Yes. You see like that. Yes. Good. And the shoulder line. Perfect. Yeah. Now you see. Tension releases here. Traction in that.
Yeah.
We add traction. Huh? You go slowly, slowly. Yes. Breathe out. Relax, relax. Yes. Yes. Lie down. Little bit. Make a little bit circle. Go upside. Very good, 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 good. Go down. Next time. ह्याच्यात हे नका करू, बेंड नका करू. That's why. Actually. finish something?
You was realizing I was crying. You know that, yeah.
Yeah.
But it feels very nice.
You are good at math?
No.
Yeah.
So, sir, before the Samvahan treatment and after the Samvahan treatment, can you please share your experience?
Yes. I came here because I have a lot of tensions and pain in the shoulder since 1 year. And I was receiving a lot of treatments in my home country, in Germany, but it doesn't help. And now I was here receiving this vibration massage, and it was very intense, and it felt very, I was really relaxing in a very, very deep way. And so I start crying also during the massage, yeah. But the crying stops after a while. It was just for a moment, part of this releasing. And the night after, I felt in the night there's a strong energy inside the body working, like circles.
Okay.
It was a strong vibration. Yeah.
Okay, sir. So, would you like to visit again?
Yes, sure.
Thank you so much.
Yes, you're welcome. I thank you.
So, hello, sir.
Hello.
So, how are you feel right now?
I feel very relaxed, and the pain released a lot. It's actually just the half it was before, and I'm able to move much more my arms.
Okay. And the before the Samvahan treatment and after the Samvahan treatment, can you please express your?
Yes, there was a strong pain in the shoulder, and I was not able to move my arm properly. And I have received a lot of treatments for 1 year in my home country. And after I did here the treatments, the arm is much more better, and the arm released a lot.
Okay.
Pain.
So, would you like to visit again to
Yes.
Marmaveda Chiropractic Center?
Yes, for sure. I will.
Okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. So no, we haven't spilled.